that's the way into town, and this is the way. We're just going to go towards the air, which is just round the corner, and we'll show you the delights of getting in. The flipping GoPro sticks just failed. Unsticked. So I've got another job to repair.
There is a little gate along here to get into the air, because the air's on
this
the
is
right.
The air.
This is the air. There's a personal gate here if you want to come out. Just cut off the corner really,
yeah.
But it is only a minute.
Yeah. So we'll walk round, and when you come out, you've got to turn right, not left.
Yeah. And that is the way we came in through the village.
Yeah, we came up that way.
Yes. That's the way we have to go out.
Yeah. So, here we come to the air, and it is a camping car lot.
It does say take tickets somewhere, but not now. I think that was an old thing.
No ticket needed to park.
It opens the barrier.
Yeah.
And then you go and pay at a little kiosk here when you leave, but it does have number plate recognition, so the cameras
there you go.
will take a picture of your number plate, and then it will know how much to charge you on your way out.
Right.
And the tariffs are here.
This is a little machine.
The tariffs.
Yeah.
That's as at the 11th of June 2024, so we don't know whether that goes up at all, but that's what it is now.
Doesn't look like it's been changed for a while.
It hasn't, no. So €12 for 24 hours.
And there you go, there's your machine.
And we think you just put your number plate in, and then it tells you how long.
Your number plate number.
That's
you don't put your whole number plate.
You put your number plate on the roof.
Because I was going to say, where do you put it? You can't get your number plate in there. Anyway.
Alright, you're taking the mickey now.
As if I would.
Yeah. And
Please stop at the stop before payment. She's coughing again. Right, we'll have a little look down here.
just down the next one.
Yeah, we're going to go walk this way then round.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Right, so it's not very level. Everybody's.
It's more level down where there isn't electricity.
Yeah.
These are the electric pictures.
They're not too bad.
They're not bad at all.
No, not too bad. They're a bit sort of bit wobbly.
It's a bit hit and miss. It's not on a terribly big hill.
No.
So if you've just got little blocks, that's enough.
Yeah, probably. So we'll show you where the. It's all very big. Lots of gravel.
There's no electricity here.
No, no down there. And then you've got the motorhome service point. The water pressure is rubbish. You're going to be waiting a while for it to fill up. So you've got toilet, waste, normal water, drainage there, all down there as well. No electricity here, but electricity there.
Yeah, it's all sort of the top end, near the entrance, all those bits of electricity.
Yeah.
And then further away you get.
If it's nice and sunny and you've got a solar panel on the roof, the chances are you most probably don't need electric.
We've got it because we can.
Yeah.
We wouldn't necessarily need it for one night.
No. So you've got all the way down the bottom there as well, look. Wow. That's what I could do to get underneath our van, look.
Yes.
Isn't it? Anyway, so that's it.
Yeah. The electricity's just on the post, you just plug in.
And away you go. Just a normal European English style one.
Yes, you don't need an adapter on this one.
No, and we're here. So, as they say, do that properly.
Yeah.
So, there you go. We're back over at the motorhome. So thanks again for watching. we'll see you again soon. Well,
we don't know, because obviously we're going home tomorrow.
Yeah. So I hope you've enjoyed our Euro trip. We are heading to France again later in the year.
Yes.
We've got other trips booked as well, haven't we?
Yes.
Alright, so thanks for watching. Say bye-bye, Susie.
Bye-bye, Susie.
Bye-bye.